Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. Today is the day that I'm going to declutter my makeup. So I am going to be getting rid of a ton of products, and my goal is that I just want to have my main makeup, a little bit of backup, and that's it. I'm not a makeup junkie or a makeup guru or anything like that, but I just have accumulated things for a while and I'm kind of tired of it. I just want less. So I will be donating items that are acceptable, if I have any, to Project Beauty Share or Family to Family, which is called Pretty Connected, and also maybe Win NYC. So most of them, when I reached out to them, they did say that they prefer makeup that is absolutely new, which I completely understand. But Project Beauty Share has a few where, depending on what type of product, you can actually still donate it. So like pressed eyeshadows, blush, bronzer, highlighters are able to be donated. Airless pump foundations can be donated. Squeeze tube foundations can be donated. Face, beauty, and hair products as well. So I'm going to be going through what I have, and hopefully I have some stuff that I can donate, because one thing I don't like to do is create waste, but I know that I'm also just wasting my products by having them here. I'm going to show you guys all that I have. To me, it's a lot and it's overwhelming, but I know to some people you might be like, that's really not a lot, you're doing too much. Without further ado, let's get into it. Here is the mess that I have. I know, call me crazy, but Fenty is definitely going to go. Unfortunately, this product breaks out my skin, but if I am correct, I'm going to clean off the edge of this, but this is a pump foundation, so I believe it can be donated. This is barely used too. I think I might have used it a handful of times, maybe 10 times. Also, my foundations, I have my Kat Von D. This is another one that is airless, but I'm not sure because it does just stay open. I don't think you can close it. So I might actually have to just toss this. What I will be keeping, and you'll see in another video, I believe, or somewhere in here, the makeup that I'm wearing right now, I ended up getting my Becca foundation and concealer and a bronzer. So this will be the basic start. So this is going to be my start of products that I have. This brand is cruelty free. What will be staying as well is, for my affordable backup brand, is my Physicians Formula. So this is in the color DW2, which is a little darker, but so this might be more of my like summer color. I still have been using it lately now and just kind of blending it in, but it's been really great. It's affordable, it gives good coverage, and I'll be keeping this as my backup. These two Ben Nyes, I'm gonna check if I can donate them. Bronzer, I'm going to hopefully donate if I can, from Anastasia. Mascaras, I believe that you can't donate, so I'm probably going to toss these. This one I'm absolutely going to keep. I love this one. This is from Hourglass. This is my NYX Worth the Hype mascara, and I really like that one, so I'll keep that. This one is going to be donated, or this one's going to go in the trash. Kat Von D concealer is done. A cushion foundation, which was pretty good. I actually liked it a lot. There's not that much left in it though, so I'm gonna toss it. I only have one highlighter, so I'll be keeping this. I recently got this a couple months ago. This is from Fenty Beauty. Doesn't break out my skin, so I'll be keeping that. And as you saw as well, I only have but one blush, so this is my Innisfree blush. I'll be keeping that. I've got plenty of product. The Marc Jacobs primer, I've got that as a gift, so I'll be keeping this. And what's going to be trash is this Master Prime that I got. There's not that much left in it anyway, so that's going to be tossed. Moving on to my eyeliner. I don't think I've used this in who knows how long. If it sharpens, I'll be able to donate it. Yay! This is a NYX matte finish setting spray that I like. This is my one and only eye primer, so I'll be keeping this. Love it. That's going to be tossed. I'm going to be keeping it. Probably going to toss. So I'm going to, so peachy nude colors. It's like that. This is Fenty and I just recently bought it, so I'll keep that. Love this. This is my favorite. So I'll be keeping that as my red backup. My nude lip gloss backup once I run out of the Alyssa Ashley. So I got this from Fenty. I'll be keeping that. I think I have something that already looks this color, so I'm going to toss it. I'm going to hold on to these since these are my only brown dark colors in case I end up needing them. Still actually to me looks like a lot, but this will be my lip collection going forward. For palettes, I only really have 3 palettes here. So I have This one from Urban Decay that I've had for forever. I absolutely love this. I'm definitely going to keep that. I have this original Naked as well. I should probably just keep these two and donate this one. And you're allowed to donate these, as I mentioned before. One and only finishing powder that I have, so I will be keeping this. So this I got from Eco Tools. I haven't used them that much. They're pretty sturdy. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace these ones over here. So I think I'm going to be giving away, and you, as long as you wash the brushes, you can give them away. So most of these brushes are not similar in size, so I feel like I can keep them. Oh, this is just like a spoolie, so we'll keep that. I think I would probably end up tossing this or donating this one. This one is going to be really good for like my powders, so I'm going to keep this one. This is my favorite flat top brush. I don't have anything other than this. And then these are from IT Cosmetics. Again, sorry that they're dirty. They're like just used. So I'm going to hold on to these. So here is what I'll be keeping. I definitely thought I would be keeping less than this, but it only makes sense just to have backup so I'm not constantly buying new makeup. But yeah, this is everything that I will be keeping going forward. And I'm officially decluttered.